so I'm calling you for your one-on-one call. I want to see if I can answer some of your questions, hear what your goals are, see how we can help you achieve them faster. What are the numbers? What are the houses selling for? What are the rents going for? What are they selling it for? That's how you find out what to pull the gun on. We're not guessing over here. We're running the numbers. If the house is at the right price, which means, let's say the houses in that market all fixed up are going for, let's say, $100,000. You find it for $42,000. It needs $10,000 worth of work. That's a good deal. It's nothing really to think about. So if they're not going for no more than $60,000 and they're selling it for $42,000 and it needs $10,000 worth of work, it's not worth it. You gotta keep looking. Well, understand this. Preparation builds confidence. So those books that I put in the group, all those Zoom videos, the more you prepare, the more you go through those, the more confident you'll be. So you're not confident because you didn't go through enough information to make yourself confident. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I want you to do. I want you to focus your time on reading the books and watching the past Zoom calls, getting on the current ones that we're doing, and just getting prepared so your confidence will be higher. But then don't fall into the trap where you spend all your time learning, but you don't spend no time acting. Listen, if you're scared, real estate is not for you. I'm telling you that right now. If you're scared to pull the trigger or you're scared to lose money, real estate ain't for you. You can't be scared in this game. If you're scared in this game, then you might as well just go right back to work. You know what I'm saying? See, your job is safe. You know why your job is safe? Because your boss and the owners took all the risk. So it's safe for you. But when you're in real estate, there is no boss, there is no owner, it's all you. So that's why you make all the money, because you're taking all the risk. So you can't be afraid to pull the trigger. If you read the books and you prepared and you know for a fact, okay, I could buy this house at this price and fix it up and it'll be worth this, the only thing you're going to be scared of is, do you trust yourself? You know what I'm saying? See, me, I'll gamble on myself. If I know I did everything I was supposed to do, I'm a gamble on myself, because the worst case scenario is you're going to learn something. In your first two, three properties, you're probably not going to make any money anyway, because you're learning. So you might break even. You might only make $100, $200. Your first deal, 2 deals, maybe even your first 3 deals, you might not make any money, because that's where you go, your learning experience. Realtors, how many realtors have you reached out to?
I got 3 in my back pocket.
Okay, put them to work. Have them looking for properties too. Look on Craigslist. Look on Facebook. You know what I mean? Talk to people. Ask, hey, do you know anybody having any mortgage problems? Do you know anyone that want to sell their house? You got to get out there. You got to network. Start doing that. You got the good credit. And then also, there are people in that group on Facebook that don't have good credit but have money and know how to invest and want to invest. So go in that Facebook group and say, hey, is there anyone looking to invest in real estate but their credit isn't too good? Or is there someone investing in real estate that does have good credit that we can do trade line for trade line? I should be seeing you posting in that group looking for people, because there's people in there that's looking for you. All right? You got any other? All right, man. I'll see you in the group.
I appreciate you, man.
No problem, man. Take it easy. Yeah, so just calling you for your one-on-one call. Just wanted to see if I can if there's anything that we went over in a group so far that we needed clarification on, anything like that, or is there anything you feel like you're stuck on? Yeah, but if you do the academy, you're doing the training, you worry about stuff. How do you worry about stuff before you even try? You gotta stop doing that shit. Stop worrying about things until you fail at it. When you actually failed at something, then you have a reason to be afraid. But it's like you never touched fire before, and you so if I put my hand over it, it's gonna hurt. Let's put your hand over it. You know what I'm saying? Jump in. You have all these questions, but you never have questions about stuff you failed at. I see if you told me about 5 deals that you tried to do and you failed at it, that's a different conversation than, so what if? Well, if I try, what if you actually go and do it? What happens if that happens? Let's try that. Let's try what if you actually go do it. Let's try that what if. That what if is a lot better than what if I actually do. No, what if you did it and what's the aftermath? So focus on that what if. Do it. Just do it. What do you think Nike got that slogan from? Just do it. What do you keep thinking about it for? If you want to do it, if it's saying, yo, if your heart is telling you go do this, just go do it. Just go do it. Don't keep trying to think of all the things that can go wrong and all the things. Things will always go wrong. Just go do it. And you're going to learn, and you're going to do it better the next time and the next time. Now, if you don't believe in yourself, now that's something you got to go to therapy for. You got to meditate, stuff like that. I can't teach you to believe in yourself.
Right.
Hey, what's going on? This is Aaron. I'm calling you for your 30-minute one-on-one. Yeah, so basically what I'm calling to do is see if you have any questions that I wasn't able to cover in the group, hear some of your goals, and see if I can better assist you. I appreciate that, man. I really do, seriously. And it's you guys that make me like want to go harder. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like when I think about like, all right, I take a break, let me take it easy, and I'm like, no, I got more people I gotta help. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah. I appreciate that, man. Seriously. Well, look, man, just make sure you go through all the old content that we posted. Just go through all the Zoom trainings, all the videos, go through all the content in that Facebook group, and just spend like an hour or two doing it every day. You know what I'm saying? An hour or two every day. You'll be caught up. You'll be familiarized with a lot of things, and yeah, you should be good. By the end of the month, your education, your knowledge should be double what it is now. Yeah.
Try to be, but I'm telling you, man.
We don't try, bro. You don't try. You'll never hear Diddy saying I try to get Biggie famous, or you never hear Jay-Z say I try to sell a million records. Like, what it really comes down to, bro, like, see, it really comes down to how bad you want success. Like, because there's a lot of things I don't want to do. I don't like exercising, I don't like eating healthy, but if I want to live a long, prosperous life, you know what I'm saying? Especially for my kids, I gotta do it. Reading, I know, can be hard. That's why I do audiobooks a lot. I'm a big fan of audiobooks, but I still do take time to read actual words on paper, because that's the main reason a lot of people can't read, because you guys don't practice. So then when it comes time to reading, it's a muscle that you never work, so you don't do it. That's why a lot of times people can get you to sign contracts for anything, because nobody reads anymore. So just try it. Just do a little bit every day, 5 pages a day. Then you work your way up. And I'm telling you, you're gonna find that one book that you're gonna enjoy, and you're gonna be like, yo, this isn't that bad. Yeah, man. Reading is exercising for your brain. That's what it is. But yeah, man. You have any other questions?
No, that was it.
Yeah. Well, just go to Navy Federal and PenFed and see what they say about it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm already a member with Navy Federal.
Yeah, just reach out to them. They do VA loans.
Okay.
All right, man.
All right, thank you so much.
No problem, bro. I'll talk to you soon.